Hello everyone! Welcome to Back Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best ATX AMD motherboard. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Supports Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 PPUs for future-proof performance and smooth multitasking, ensuring compatibility with modern and upcoming AMD processors. This allows for powerful gaming and content creation without worrying about upgrades. CA 4.0 and Dual M. Two slots provide high-speed data transfer, significantly reducing load times for applications, games, and workflow. The inclusion of dual slots enables users to install multiple NVMe SSDs, maximizing storage speed and performance. Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 GB Ethernet offer ultra-fast networking, ensuring lag-free online gaming and seamless streaming experiences. Wi-Fi 6E provides a broader bandwidth and lower latency, while 2.5GB Ethernet delivers stable and high-speed wired connectivity. 12 plus 2 power stages deliver stable power, supporting overclocking and high-performance computing. With premium chokes and capacitors, the motherboard ensures reliable power delivery to the CPU, enhancing stability and efficiency. Advanced cooling with VRM heatsinks, Stack Cool 3 Plus, and multiple fan headers for improved thermal management. This setup helps maintain optimal temperatures even during intense gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. User-friendly BIOS and AI tuning make setup, overclocking, and system optimization hassle-free. The intuitive BIOS interface simplifies customization, while AI-based optimization tools help fine-tune performance effortlessly. RGB lighting and Aura Sync support let you personalize your build with vibrant, customizable effects. Users can sync their lighting with other Aura-compatible components, creating a visually stunning PC setup that matches their aesthetic preferences. Pros: future-proof with Ryzen CPU support, fast CA 4.0 and Dual M, 2 storage, Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5B Ethernet, stable power delivery for overclocking, easy system tuning with AI software, attractive RGB design. Cons: limited CA 4.0 lanes Vs, 570, higher price than some B550 options. No integrated GPU support. Who is it for? Gamers. Great for high speed, competitive gaming, content creators. Fast storage and strong networking. PC builders. Customization, AI tuning, and RGB aesthetics. Check the price link in the description and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.